They thought I was lying when I said I'm 70. But my medical records and my energy don't lie. These 5 foods are the reason why I look and feel 20 years younger than I am. This video isn't about miracle creams, expensive treatments, or elite gene pools. It's about 5 foods, real, everyday foods, that are scientifically shown to slow cellular aging, fight inflammation, and make your body function like it's 20 years younger. No hype, no fluff, just results. Stick around because number 4 is likely already in your fridge, and you're ignoring it. Aging isn't random. Inside your body, tiny processes decide how fast or how slow you age. It's called oxidative stress. It damages your cells, weakens your organs, and shows up in your skin, joints, memory, and energy. But here's the good news. Certain foods fight this process on a cellular level. They don't just delay aging. They help reverse damage that's already happening. That's what these 5 foods are designed to do. Food 1. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a powerhouse. This fruit contains punicolagens, a type of antioxidant 3 times more powerful than green tea. It also boosts nitric oxide production, which improves blood flow and supports healthy skin, brain, and heart function. Studies show it can help reduce the signs of aging by protecting cells from DNA damage. 1 glass of 100% pure pomegranate juice a day is enough to activate these benefits. Plus, pomegranate may improve memory and mood, according to recent clinical trials. Its polyphenols support hippocampal function, essential for long-term memory. Food 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, which are anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective. They support brain clarity, protect vision, and reduce oxidative damage in the nervous system. Regular consumption is linked to better memory, balance, and skin elasticity. A small handful a day is all it takes to make a long-term difference. A Harvard study with over 16,000 women found that those who ate the most blueberries aged more slowly in terms of brain function, up to 2.5 years younger cognitively. Food 3. Salmon. Wild-caught salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These fats lower inflammation, protect heart and brain function, and slow down telomere shortening, the biological marker of aging. Salmon also contains astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that gives it its pink color. It promotes skin elasticity and joint recovery. 2 servings a week are ideal. One Japanese longevity region, Okinawa, reports low heart disease and cognitive decline, partly attributed to their high intake of omega-rich fish. Food 4. Leafy greens. Kale, spinach, and arugula are rich in folate, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. These nutrients support collagen production, detoxification, and cellular repair. Greens also balance the body's pH and support healthy gut microbiome, both critical for aging well. Try incorporating at least 1 green meal daily, raw or lightly steamed. The Nurses' Health study showed that people who consumed greens daily had up to 11 years younger cognitive performance compared to those who rarely ate them. Food 5. Extra virgin olive oil. This oil contains oleocanthal, a compound with anti-inflammatory properties comparable to ibuprofen. It supports heart health, brain clarity, and skin tone. In Mediterranean cultures, where olive oil is consumed daily, people often live past 90 with sharp minds and active bodies. Replace processed oils with a tablespoon of olive oil daily. A Spanish study found that higher intake of EVOO was associated with 41% reduced risk of stroke in older adults. Bonus food 6. Dark chocolate. 85% plus. Here's the surprise 6th food. Dark chocolate, especially with 85% cacao or higher, is packed with flavonoids that improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and enhance brain function. A study in the journal Frontiers in Nutrition showed that moderate dark chocolate intake improved memory and attention in older adults. Choose organic, low-sugar versions and consume 1 to 2 squares per day. Research from Harvard, the Mayo Clinic, and the National Institute on Aging confirms it. Nutrition is the single most modifiable factor when it comes to aging. In fact, diets rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds can delay age-related diseases by decades. According to Dr. David Sinclair, a leading longevity expert, consistent intake of specific nutrients like polyphenols, omega-3s, and plant-based antioxidants may turn back the biological clock. Dr. Rhonda Patrick also emphasizes the importance of micronutrient density in preserving mitochondrial function, the key to youthful energy. But what happens if you ignore these foods? Studies show that chronic inflammation, caused by poor diet, is directly tied to early cognitive decline, joint stiffness, low energy, and hormonal imbalance. The scariest part? These signs show up silently, long before symptoms appear. So if you've ever felt more tired than usual, struggled with memory, or noticed your skin losing tone, this may be why. And it's fixable. Reintroducing nutrient-dense foods for just 10 days can begin to shift your biology. The benefits go beyond the body. People who adopt anti-aging nutrition often report increased confidence, motivation, and emotional stability. Brain fog lifts, energy returns, focus improves. You start to feel like yourself again, just a version that's sharper, calmer, and more resilient. You're not just extending your life, you're expanding its quality. A 2021 study in aging and mental health showed that anti-inflammatory diets are linked to lower rates of depression and anxiety in aging populations. You don't need a time machine, you need the right inputs, every single day. These 6 foods aren't trends, they're tools. Start small. Add blueberries to breakfast, a salad with olive oil at lunch, or a glass of pomegranate juice in the afternoon. Enjoy dark chocolate as your guilt-free dessert. The change is subtle at first, then undeniable. You'll feel it in your skin, your joints, your mind, and your mirror. Like I said, I'm 70, but I don't feel it. And thanks to these foods, you won't either. Like this video, subscribe for more science-backed tips, and share it with someone who deserves to feel 20 years younger too.